Okay, so when creating your Spark page, you just go to spark.adobe.com, or if you're using a phone or a tablet, you go to the Spark Post app, press the plus there, and go down to web page. Start off by adding a title. Now, I'm going to also add a background to this, kind of like a header photo. Now, you can upload your own photos if you like, or connect to any one of these services, but I'm going to show you the free photos. Cycling. Now, there's all sorts of cool photos down here, but the one that I really like for this header, I think is going to be this one. So you can scroll to start writing your story, and I'll just put a little intro, I think. Now, let me show you something. If I want, I can change this from normal text to like header 1, for example, header 2. You can do other things like you can make sure it's centered. You can change it into a quote even, if you like. And one of the things I'll also show you is that you can change the theme. And look how this changes things. You keep an eye on the screen in the center. If I click that, everything's kind of changed. Maybe I'll add a little bit. Right, look at what I can do here. I can actually put in a button. So 200 word challenge. And then it's asking me for a URL. Now, this is the page with the challenge on it. Here you can see the video that you watched before and all the different questions that you had. So if I paste that in there, and I will also choose to center it, make sure the button's in the middle, et voila. Okay, so here's my response. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click split layouts. I'm going to do this whole thing using split layouts. And this is where you can have an image on one side and text on another. So I've written all of my text here, and I'm going to go here and click text. Now, what you'll see here is it separates it out for me. Because there was a line in between the question and the answer, it's quite handily separated it out for me. I might change that to heading 2. I think that's pretty cool. So if I go here, and you can use cycling again here, possibly, or, ooh, this is a cool one. So that's my first section. Let me show you this as well. One of the things that you can do is I was looking at different videos on YouTube for some advice around people who've actually thought about whether cyclists should be forced to wear helmets. And I watched this video here, so I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go back to my webpage and look at what I can do here. I can also put a video in there. I can put in a YouTube, Vimeo, or Spark video link. Check that out. Isn't that cool? We've got the question, got a bit of research here, and then we've got my answer. Nice. Time to go on to question number 2. So if I click split layout again, what it does automatically is we had the picture on the left on here, and now it's given me the options of the picture on the right. Add it in, the text again. Nice. Change this to heading 2. I think that's quite cool. When I wrote that, I was thinking of people like BMX riders. Often they don't wear helmets, so I'm going to just put BMX in. Look at here, but look at all the choice we've got. Oh, this one's cool. Check that out. And let me also show you how to change the focal point. If I move the focal point up like that, you'll actually see that we actually see this chap's head. Then we go to question and answer number 3, add in my text. So when I go to find my photo here, and I'm going to go to car. Now you can choose all sorts of different things here. Ooh, I like that one. Add in another split layout, add in my text, change that to header 2. Ooh, maybe I'll show you. Look, I could do it as a quote. Go over to add an image. I'm still in my free photos. Click pedestrians. Now, which one do I want? Great. And what I really like about Spark Page is that it looks so beautiful when you present it. So here, you can scroll through it just using your trackpad if you like. But also, let me show you, you can use your left and right arrow, and it does this. So here's my header. One click, there's my intro. One click, there's my question number 1. One click, question number 2, question number 3, and finish off with question number 4. When it's time to share, just click there, publish and share. And you can create a link just by clicking that button there. And there you have it. Okay, well done on completing the 200 word challenge. Now it's over to you.
I hope you enjoyed that, DigiFans. As always, please do share your work with me using the hashtag DigiDom, or find me on the socials, Dom_trainer, so I can share your work with a larger audience and congratulate you on completing the 200 word challenge. As always, if you want these videos before anybody else, you've got to subscribe. So subscribe and get it done with.